Waiting for more rumbling, see what's out there for the evening plans.
Yeah, I hope some rain stopped by my house.
I hope it did too. In fact, 52 hundredths of an inch officially at the airport, just reported by Mr. Prokop, who's behind me yelling at me, which actually is quite helpful if you really think about it. And here's the other thing. Now that all the warnings have expired, we can take a moment and take a look at our exclusive 3D imagery. Look at this line of showers and thunderstorms that marched through our area today. Gives you a great opportunity, and as we examine these storms, we look at this kind of computer enhancement that allows us to take a look at the storms and see exactly what they're doing. Let me turn it here just a little bit. Watch these cells here that are coming into the Savannah area, approaching Tybee Island. They're not there now, and the south end of Tybee may see some of these bigger storms. I'm going to move it now to the north, but I'm not going to add any elevation, and watch what happens. Wait a minute, I cut off the storms. That's how much bigger these are, reaching up all the way into the jet stream. That's how they become so energized. Vivid lightning, that's how we get the hail shafts. But notice there's no real little gullies around the side of these storms. That's important because without the gullies, you don't get any tornadoes. So as they march away from us now, looking from Swainsboro across Emmanuel County, there again is that Beaufort County storm I showed you just a moment ago. You can see how those troops are marching away, so to speak. Now, here's what it looks like traditionally with our live local Doppler Max 11 radar. Now, again, I repeat, all warnings have expired and these storms have clearly maxed out as we saw from our 3D imagery. Closer view, here's the storm, this one cluster of storms that's now approaching Beaufort. I know it looks mean and ugly to your southwest, but as it comes in, the warnings have in fact expired because the cloud tops are falling down. So we're just going to get some heavy rain and some very vivid lightning. And our line, part of many lines that have developed across the Carolinas, back across Georgia, down into Florida, looks like things are settling back to the west. And look at the amount of precipitation that was recorded. See any yellow? That's over 2 inches. And Doppler radar indicating across Liberty and into Bryan County and West Chatham, some areas did see perhaps up to 2 inches of rain, though rainfall amounts less than that are quite common, and we had 52 hundredths of an inch at the airport. Area of low pressure is going to scoot across the Carolinas, head up to the north and east. The front really never gets a chance to clear us. That's a problem. That keeps us in the unstable air. New area of low pressure coming out of Texas will join into that front, again very close. So by the time we get even to Thursday morning, we still have the risk of some showers and thunderstorms, though things do get better as we go along. And look how the temperature cooled when it started to rain. Into the 80s, 85 was Savannah's high today. Now Savannah at 72, rain cooled, still much warmer back here to the west. And that's the way it'll stay with more of a southeasterly or southwesterly breeze depending on your location. Check marine conditions, coastal showers and storms, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots for tomorrow, seas at 2 to 3 feet. All right, here's the first alert, Doppler Max 11 forecast for tonight. Storms will settle down as we go through the evening. Still a 30% chance inland, overnight low 64, 70 on the coast with a 40% chance of storms. I'd advise some patchy fog, too, in rain areas. Then tomorrow, more late-day storms. There's 30% chance no matter where you're located. Inland 84, 76 if you're in coastal areas. For Savannah proper, 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms, 85, 66 tomorrow night. Wednesday, 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Knock it down Thursday, just a 20% chance, dry Friday and Saturday. Boy, those 2 days look just fabulous. Maybe a chance of showers and thunderstorms on Sunday. Temperatures stay in the mid to lower 80s, overnight lows in the 60s. And it's never too early to look ahead into the weekend. The Fred Stokes Celebrity Golf Shootout at Smithfield Golf Club is one of the many events coming up this weekend. Check all that out online at WTOC.com. Follow us on Twitter as we go through the night tonight. Things appear to be settling down. We're at Big John Weather. Have a great night tonight.
Good news there. Thanks,
Yes,
John.